Hey guys, today we're going to be showing you how to automate our strategies using the new 3Commas signal bot. Now what this new signal bot by 3Commas is really good for is being able to simplify how to automate strategies that use multiple take profits. So for this strategy, we're going to be using one of the strategies found in our bot library. You can visit our bot library here, and we have just different strategies listed that are really profitable that our users are using, and you can download these and upload these directly into your TradingView strategy from AlgoPro. So for this test, we're going to be using the Soul Crusher strat here that we downloaded, and we've already uploaded it into our bot. Now the first step is going to be going over to 3Commas. Now once you're on 3Commas, you're going to want to go over to the new signal bot feature, and this will be a custom signal. So go ahead and click on custom signal, and it's going to give you the webhook URL that you're going to need to use. So for this, we're going to open a notepad here and just kind of lay out the commands that we need. So for the webhook, we're going to go ahead and copy that and add it to our notepad. And we will use that at the end of this demonstration. I'll head back to 3Commas and go ahead and say you have that set. Now here's where you'll set all your personal trade parameters like exchange, the coin you're going to use, and all of your risk management settings. So go ahead to next. Here is where you'll get your command settings that we're going to need to put into the settings portion of the bot. So we'll start with the long command here, and you can choose whichever one you want, whether it be compounding equity of total investment or just a fixed percentage or amount here. For this demonstration, we're going to use total investment. So we're going to copy that, go here. We're just going to say our long command. Now that we have that set, we'll go on to our TP or take profit commands for our long. So go to exit long. So for our take profit commands, we're going to use send and webhook percentage. This will allow us to replace here with whatever amount we want each of the take profit markers to execute. So we're going to go ahead and copy that. Now for these, we need 4 different commands, actually 5 including the stop loss. So we're going to go ahead and put TP1 for the first command. Now to know what you need to replace for whatever percentage you need to execute, you need to go back to your strategy, go to the settings, and scroll down to the percentage that each take profit is using. So for TP1, we're using 51%, which means in this first command here for our take profit 1, we're going to replace all of this with 51. And make sure to only have the number here in your percentage and no brackets or anything, or that will interfere with how the command is executed. So now for the rest of the take profits, we're going to go ahead and just copy and paste this command and then edit the percentage again for each take profit. So again, go to your settings and check the amount that each take profit needs. So take profit 2 and 3 will be 5%, and take profit 4 will be 16%. So we'll go down here. So take profit 1 is done. For take profit 2, we need to put 5%. Take profit 3, we're going to put 5%. And take profit 4, we're going to put 16%. So now all of our long take profit executing commands are done. The only one we have left for our long position is the stop loss. So what we're going to do is we're going to use the same command as the take profits, but in the amount here, we're going to put 100%, which will close our entire trade. So now that our long side is done, we just need to do the same thing for our short side. So we're going to open our short command here. Copy that in there and paste it. Now the long and short command, you will not need to change anything on because it's all handled from the 3Commas side. So now for our short take profit commands, again, send and webhook percentage, copy that. Now we're going to do the same thing for the long TPs as we did for the short. Now the percentages are the same for both longs and shorts. So for our TP1 here, again, 51%, TP2, 5%, TP3, again, 5%, TP4, 16%. And then again, our stop loss will always be 100% of our trade. So now that we have all of our commands finished, we're going to go ahead and click done on the 3Commas side. And that's all you need from the 3Commas side. You're finished on this part. You can go ahead and create your bot. Then we need to head over to TradingView here. Here's where you'll input all of the commands that we've laid out into the settings. So let's go ahead and get our long command and copy that in. Put it here in the first setting. Now we're going to do our short command. Now, depending on what take profit and stop loss system you're using will be where you're putting your commands. So for this strategy here, we're using the V2 take profit system. And then we're also using a V1 stop loss system. So for that, for the take profits, we'll put them into the V2 system, and then our V1 stop loss will handle this. But we're also using a moving stop loss, as you can see down here. Now for the moving stop losses, those are all handled from the V2 SL command. So if you're using a moving stop loss, you'll want to put your stop loss here and in the V1 system if you're using a V1 too. So we'll go ahead and get our take profit command started for our long. Put that into the TP1 slot and just do that for TP2, 3, and 4. Now that we're to the stop loss section for this here, again, you'll want to put it in both the V2 system and the V1 system, since we're using a V1 stop loss and the moving stop loss as well. Now we just need to redo all of that for the short take profits and stop loss as well. Now we have all of our commands into the settings that are needed to execute this strategy onto 3Commas to our exchange buy bit. And once you have those on the settings and all filled out, you're just going to click OK. Now the next step is to put our strategy command that will fire all of these alerts off as each individual command. So for this, you're going to want to go to our website and go to our guide. Once you're on our guide, you want to go down to automate your AlgoPro bot, and you're going to need this command here that will go in the alert message section that will trigger each command. So we're going to copy that. We're going to go ahead and start on creating the alert here. So hit add alert. Now everything in the message section you need to delete and have this clear. The only thing that will be in this section of the alert will be the command that you get from our guide, which will be the strategy order alert message. And you can name your bot whatever you want. Make sure your expiration is open-ended, and then go to notifications, and the webhook URL is where you'll put the URL that we initially got from 3Commas. So this URL here, you'll copy that, and you'll put that right here into the webhook URL. Once that is done, your alert is ready to go, and you can go ahead and hit create. And that's all that has to be done from the 3Commas and TradingView side. Your strategy should be good to go and be fully automated. We recommend to test with a low amount to make sure all your commands are triggering correctly to your exchange. But it's that simple, and your strategy should be good to go.